children, welcome to today's session. So today we are going to discuss a lesson of Little Bobby. So we have discussed part A, the snake and the mirror, the duck and the kangaroo poem, and today we are learning about the lesson, the Little Bobby. So in this lesson mainly we have two main characters. What are those? One is Bobby, as we saw in the name it is there, Little Bobby, and the other one is Mother. These two are going to play the main roles in this lesson. Usually if we celebrate our birthdays, so before 2-3 days only, if we need something, so if we need one kind of dress or if we need a mobile or something, what do we do usually? We go to parents and we ask them that my birthday is coming up. So if you gift these kind of things, I'll be very happy. We will intimate, right? So in the same way, little Bobby's birthday was coming and his mother was cooking in the kitchen. So Bobby went to his mother and asked that I want a red bike for my birthday. The mother was shocked by asking what he has asked. She listened and she felt he has been a troublemaker always. He has been a troublemaker means what? Troublemaker means what? A person who always creates problem. So he always gives trouble to the others. Not only at home, in the school also. So in home and in the school, in the both places, he is not being a good boy. So you should, if we ask also anything towards our parents to gift us something, when does they give? When do they give actually? They give us if we do some good things or if we pass exam well or if we get good marks in the exam, then they give us whatever we need. But here, Bobby is a troublemaker. So mother felt that he is thinking he is a very good boy and he is feeling that he should get a red bike for his birthday. So mother felt I should teach him a lesson. I should make him understand that how he is giving troubles to the others. She thought to make him know his mistakes. So mother said, if you really feel that you are eligible to get a bike for your birthday, then go sit in your room, think for some time how you have been in the last year. Last year, how you were. Once think how you behaved. Think about all those things and write a letter to the God. What mother said? You think how you were in the last year, how you behaved in the last year. Think all those things. Still, if you feel that you are a very good boy, then write a letter to God asking red bike for your birthday. The mother said like this. So, Bobby felt upset and he stumped on the floor and he went to his room. Stumped means what here? Walking in a very noisy way. He walked in a noisy way and he went into his room. He sat on a bench and he thought to write. So there was a dog. Little Bobby has a dog and the dog name is Jessie. So Jessie also came and sat near him and watching what Bobby was doing. Then Bobby started to write letters. So he started writing a first letter. What he wrote in first letter? He wrote in first letter that what mother said actually. Mother told you think about your behavior and write a letter to God, right? So in the first letter what he has written? Dear God, I am your friend Bobby. I have been a very good boy in the last year. So I want a red bike for my birthday. He wrote letter like this. Then he read once. He felt that I haven't been a very good boy. Then how do I ask God? Then he tore the letter and he started writing second letter. So he started writing second letter and in the second letter he wrote that he is a good boy. In the first letter he wrote very good and in the second letter he wrote good. Again he started, Dear God, I am little Bobby. I have been a good boy in the So I would like to get a red bike for my birthday. Then again he thought himself and he felt, I haven't been a good boy too. So he tore that paper too. And he started writing third letter. In the third letter, he wrote okay. He felt he is not very good and he also felt he is not good. So what he has done, he wrote in the third letter that, Dear God, I have been a good boy, so I want a red bike for my birthday. Then again he felt, I haven't been also okay boy. Then he tore that paper and he started writing fourth letter. In the fourth letter, he didn't write very good or okay. He said, I will be a good boy. So he says that, Dear God, I am little Bobby. I haven't been a very good boy in the last year, but I will be a very good boy in this year. I haven't, but I will be from now onwards. So I wish I would get a red bike for my birthday. Then little Bobby felt, I haven't been good and I am telling that I will be a good boy for this year. So this letter will not get any bike for me, because if we do something only, we will get something in return, right? Without doing anything, we cannot expect that thing should happen. So he felt, I haven't been good boy and I am not going to be also. So this letter will not get me a red bike. So from that place too, he went down to his mother and he said, Ma, I want to go to church. When he said that he wanted to go to church, mother felt okay, he has realized. Also, mother saw his face. His face was very upset and very sad. What mother felt is that he understood that he is not a good boy, or he has to be very good in the coming years. So mother felt, she felt happy and she said, okay, you go to church and come soon to home for dinner, she said. Then Bobby from that place too, he walked on the street, then he walked on to the corner, then he went to the church. When he went to the church, he went to the inside of the church and he went to the altar. Altar means what? A table where they do prayers. He went up to the altar in the church. Then slowly he took the statue of Mary. Who is Mary? Mary is the mother of Jesus Christ, right? So he took that idol, the statue of Mary, and he slipped under his shirt. Means what? He kept it. He hid those Mary statue under his shirt. Then he went back to his home. He went inside his room. Then slowly he went up to his room and he locked his room doors and he started writing a letter that, Dear God, I have kidnapped your mother. If you want to see her again, send me a red bike. So what he felt, he is not a very good boy, not even good, also not even okay. So finally he has kidnapped the mother of God, Jesus. Then he wrote a letter that if you want to see your mother again, you should send a red bike for my birthday. So when he said that he need to get a red bike for his birthday, he felt that he is really going to get. But really, if he is doing like that, will he get a bike for his birthday? No, right? That is a funny thing. So this theme, we said at starting, first unit theme is humor. Humor means funny, right? Like a kind of jokes. So we can see at last the humor content which we said. In these 3 units we can see the theme of the unit is humor. So at the last also, little Bobby has kidnapped mother and asked God to send him red bike if he wanted to see his mother. So here in this lesson also we can see the content of humor. So children, this is our third lesson. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.